Stop scrolling right now. If you think the iPhone 18 Pro is just another bigger camera, faster chip upgrade, you're about to get completely shocked in 2026. Apple is secretly working on one feature that will let your iPhone get full 5G internet from space, literally anywhere on the planet, no cell tower needed. Watch till the end or you'll regret it when this phone costs $3K to $3.5K. And there's more. Latest leaks say the base iPhone 18 is delayed all the way to 2027. That means in September 2026 Apple is dropping only the Pro Max and their first ever foldable iPhone together. Keep watching, this is getting insane because these leaks are becoming crazier every single week, and insiders are saying that 2026 might be the biggest leap in iPhone history. Main features. First, bombshell full satellite 5G. Imagine you're stuck in northern areas, no signal, no Wi-Fi, but your iPhone 18 Pro is still streaming 4K YouTube at full speed using Starlink satellites. Reports say Apple might finally partner with Elon Musk's SpaceX because new Starlink satellites now support the exact same frequency as Apple's current emergency partner Globalstar. Emergency SOS was just the beginning. This is real internet from space, and if this becomes official, it means your phone will literally never lose network again, even in deserts, mountains, oceans, long drives, and remote villages where normal phones die instantly. This is basically the end of dead zones, and Apple wants to make the iPhone the first true global smartphone. Second, 12GB RAM across all iPhone 18 models. Apple just placed a massive order with Samsung for 13 million next-gen chips. That's enough RAM for crazy gaming, Apple Intelligence on steroids, and future AR glasses. This also confirms Apple is preparing for next-level AI tasks like offline Siri, offline AI editing, and real-time AR mapping. Gaming creators are saying that if the A20 Pro works with 12GB RAM, the iPhone 18 Pro might beat some laptops in performance. Third, variable aperture camera. For the first time ever, iPhone 18 Pro will let you manually control depth of field like a DSLR. Low light photos, night mode will be completely destroyed by this. Imagine shooting cinematic videos with natural blur, adjusting the light entering the sensor, and switching between f1.4 and f2.0 just like pro cameras. Vloggers, travelers, wedding videographers, everyone is waiting for this because it will completely change iPhone photography. Fourth, A20 Pro chip on 2nm, up to 30–40% faster and more efficient than A18 Pro, codename Borneo Ultra. This beast will power the Pro Max and the foldable iPhone. This chip is designed for insane battery life, cooler performance, stronger graphics, and maximum AI optimization. Leaks say Apple is also working on neural engine upgrades specifically to boost Apple Intelligence in 2026. And the biggest twist. Base iPhone 18 delayed to 2027, so if you want the latest iPhone in 2026, you'll have to buy the Pro models only. Starting price expected around $3,000 to $3,500. Import duties, dollar rate, and global pricing changes will make the Pro models even more expensive, and that's why many users are already planning to skip the base model entirely. So tell me fast in the comments. Will you wait for iPhone 18 Pro or jump to Samsung S25 Ultra? Drop iPhone if you're team Apple, Samsung if you're switching. Hit that like button if you're mind blown right now. Subscribe and turn on the bell because next video I'm leaking the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra secrets nobody else knows. See you in the next one. Peace out.